the 7441 DS3H vacuum lifter with an improved coupling. Brief presentation of the device. The Kombi 7441 DS3H is a 4-circuit vacuum lifter that can be extended to a maximum carrying capacity of 1,125 kilograms by fitting 4 extensions. Their device movements can be controlled effortlessly using a remote control. This Kombi 7441 DS3H vacuum lifter owned by our customer in Luxembourg had problems with the coupling on the rotary drive. We have therefore been taking remedial action on this weak point. This coupling, used until now, has been replaced with a different one. The replacement task was completed swiftly. And this is what the new solution looks like. Now the rotary motor can turn the load of 1,125 kilograms sensitively and even more powerfully. This movement is performed smoothly and gently in both directions. Now for another close look at the earlier weak point on the device. The tilting motion is also smooth and slow. This means that difficult glazing tasks no longer present a problem. One vacuum circuit on this device was no longer releasing because the solenoid valve failed to energize. After troubleshooting this problem, electrical activation worked properly once again. Suction was applied to the 8 sheets. After switching to release and the corresponding venting time, all sheets drop off the suction cups. At which point, the Kombi 7441 DS3H vacuum lifter is once again ready for its next operation with our customer.